it's me Engineer Tao. In this video we will learn about what is transition in PowerPoint presentation. I will let you know theoretically. Also I will perform this on my laptop screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. So I hope you learn a lot from this video session. See this video till end. I hope you enjoy and learn a lot. So what is transition in PowerPoint presentation? A slide transition is the visual effect that occurs when you move from one slide to the next during a presentation. You can control the speed, add sound and customize the look of transition effect. So now I am going to open PowerPoint. I have Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. You can use any version. It's depend on you, depend on your laptop or PC specs. You can use any version. The method will remain the same. So now I'm going to show you on my laptop screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. So what is basically transition? Transition is the effect when we move from one slide to another, and it will show the effect and we can add sound and different things when we move from one slide to another, and basically this is called transition. So how we can show on in PowerPoint in our presentation, I will show you. So you can see here the Microsoft PowerPoint user interface. PowerPoint have a very user-friendly graphic interface. So you can see here this from design. I am going to change first of all the design. And now I am going to welcome to my channel. Okay, now I am going to add SMD Institute. Okay, and now I am going to, from here I am going to home, and now okay, now I am going to apply transition on okay, and now duplicate the slide from here. Okay, now I will show you on the left bottom corner. You can see here slideshow, and now on the next slide. Okay, and you can see here the now I am going to remove, and now you can see here this is only simple, but when again I apply here, so basically you can see here the huge difference between simple slides and after applying transition on our slide, a huge difference. And from here we can add sound. Okay, from here we can add duration. Okay, so basically this is transition which we have applied in our PowerPoint presentation. So you can use the same method and you can add transition in your slide in which way you want to add and show to your audience. So if you like this video session and find this video session helpful, please give me feedback in comment section. I am on the other side to say thanks to your comment. I hope you enjoy and learn a lot. Bye bye.